In this video, I'm going to show you how we created a secure mounting point for an arm that holds an iPad. We started off doing a bit of prototyping, so I took a bit of wood that we were going to use for the upright arm and then put a piece of Lego on there and just taped it on, really so that we could check that this wouldn't get in the way during the night. We looked at the clamp dimensions and made sure that we were getting a piece of wood that really matched the dimensions of the clamp. We then set about taking the piece of wood and measuring out exactly which piece we wanted to remove, then used a jigsaw to get through most of it, and then finished it off with a handsaw. That gave us the main block of wood that we're going to mount the iPad arm to, and we need to screw this securely into the upright piece of wood. So what we need to do here is pick the right length of screw. We don't want it too long, but we don't want it too short either. We also want to choose a screw for the bit that attaches to the bed frame so that it's not too long, it doesn't come out the other side. But also what we need to do so the wood doesn't split is to drill some pilot holes. Now you want to pick a drill bit that's smaller than the width of the screws, then securely hold the pieces of wood together and drill through them both at the same time. Once those pilot holes are drilled, we also drilled the pilot holes through the lower portion. This is the bit that's going to attach to the bed frame. And then we put the main set of screws through the block of wood. The whole thing now is pretty secure and solid. Really happy with it so far. So the next step is to paint it the same colour as the bed. We're going to go for the white that we have on there already. It also matches the white of the iPad arm that we chose, which also comes in black. We had to wait a while for the paint to dry, but once that's done, we can check the arm clamp fits the piece of wood that we've got. And thankfully, we did all the measurements right, and it does. If you're interested in which iPad arm this is, I've actually got a separate review. I'll link to it in the description and maybe one of the comments. Also put a card up at the end. We then took that mount and screwed some extra pilot holes for the screws into the side of the bed, and then attached it to the bed. Then it was just a matter of attaching the iPad arm and we were done. Very happy with the result, and it was an easy build. Well, I hope this has helped. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.